Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on ORC. I've covered them quite a few times here on the channel, quite a few other REITs, but ORC has been one of the most popular one. But you can see they're down over 64% in the past year, currently at $9.04, was in the $25, $24 range. Past 3 months, they're down almost 40%. Here in the past month, down over 37%. Past week, about 21.5% down. They're just down even today. So currently at 905, ticker ORC, Orchid Island Capital. This is a REIT, pretty, as you can see, healthy paying one. If they sustain that, it did drop, and then they did their reverse merger, or reverse split, I should say, and then it's just came down ever since then. So $319 million market cap on this one. High today of 965, low of 902. That's quite a range. 52-week high of $25.30 and 52-week low of $9.02. So it hit that 52-week low today. There you can see the dividend yield at 36.56, average volume 1.10 million, and volume here today of 835,000. So you can see where they missed earnings, pretty much right on, missed. So we'll see what the next one holds. Everything's down, as you can see, everything's in the red. So I've talked about this one before, NLA, quite a few times, AGNC and Prospect, PSEC. That one's actually green. But talked about all those, quite a few REITs here on the channel, so I'll link that in the description as well. Over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a hold with a 1-year price target. I don't know if that's dated since the reverse split, but that's interesting. 1-year price target of $3.50, and it's at $9.05. ORC stock price passes below 200-day moving average of $14.92. So this is a couple days ago, but still relevant. So during trading on Wednesday, the stock has a 200-day moving average of $14.92 and traded at the low of $11.35. ORC last traded at $11.35 with a volume of 820,905 shares. Has been the topic of several recent research reports. StockNews.com raised shares of Orchid Island to a sell, so not good. Rating in a research note on Thursday, September 8th, cut shares of Orchid to a neutral rating in a research note on August the 15th. So trading is down 1.5%, so just hasn't been very good for ORC. Forget what the analysts say and check out trade data for Orchid Island Capital. This is data on the 27th. At the end of the latest market close, ORC was valued at $10.22 in the particular session. Stock kicked off at a price of $10.07 while reaching the peak value of $10.24, and the lowest value recorded on the day was $9.10. Stock current value was $9.30 recently in news on September 12th. ORC monthly dividend and August 31st, 2022. The monthly dividend of 16 cents per share of the common stock, and I've covered that before. But they've had a pretty dodgy run when it comes to market performance. The 1-year high price of the company stock is $23.55 on 1/4 of 2022, and the lowest was $9.10 on 9/26 of 2022. So should have done an option on this one going down and would have actually made some money off of it, other than just the dividend. ORC horn, there needs to be one. Rings of Power has by far best live action portrayal Might have to check that out. But a lot of people are still holding this one. I haven't bought any of it since the split, but it keeps going down. I'm not about to touch it while it keeps going down. Currently at $9.06, 52-week low of $9.11. It's actually below that high of $25.30, so it's down over half. Holding 68 shares after selling 10,000 at a loss. Wow. Holding the 68 so I can shove them up. That's one way to put it. Thinking of closing my position soon, but I think there is still a lot ways to go. So I've thought that a time or two, but I'm in the red on this one. I don't like selling at a loss, so I've just continued to hold this one. Hopefully it'll go back up at some point in time, but a few weeks back with a 50% loss. Now I'm happy that I did go out. Yeah, I used to have a couple of hundred shares of this one. I don't know how many I have after the reverse split, but currently at 9.11, showing a hold rating with, and this is showing the upside to 350 as well. So, but that's all that I have on ORC. Just wanted to point out the one article there, and like to follow this one and do videos about it at time to time and just get some feedback on it, see what others are still holding this one. So I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. But if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.